Do you know how people find places? Maps make it super easy. Let's learn directions together. A map shows where things are. It helps us understand locations. You can use it anywhere. Left is this way. Right is the other way. We use them every day. Landmarks help us find places. They are easy to recognize, like a park or a big building. Go straight means move forward. Turn means change direction. We use these words all the time. A compass shows directions: north, south, east, and west. It helps us know where we are. Follow directions step by step. This helps you not get lost. You will reach your place easily. We use directions every day when we travel or visit places. They make life much easier. Which way is left? This side is left. What shows directions? A compass shows directions. You are amazing. What does go straight mean? It means move forward. You are super smart. You just learned directions and maps. Now you can find your way anywhere. Follow me for more fun learning.